out a rare BMW. This is a 2023 BMW M3. It has a 3-liter I6-cylinder engine that pushes out 473 horsepower and 406 foot-pound of torque. My name is Alex. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. But we are checking out this beautiful M3. I believe we're checking out this BMW M3. If you love BMWs, M3s, right here's the M4. This is beautiful too. But it's about this, the M3. If you love BMWs, M3s, Isles of Man's BMWs, or rare BMWs, this is the perfect video for you. This is such a pretty color. You will never, this BMW color is rare. Reason why, there's only certain amount that is made. We don't know how much. I looked everywhere and it didn't give me anything. This is an Isle of Man's green paint finish, and it is clean. It is clean. Got the headlights. I love the design of BMW. I kind of like the older styles a bit like this. I like this a bit more than this, but because the newer fronts of the BMWs looks like it's sniffing. It's like it's trying to sniff something, like it's trying to. But I love the color. It got black exterior pieces all throughout the car, which actually fits with the green, I kind of think. But let's get on into this. We got the BMW badge right there. We got the M3. We got the backup camera, or not backup camera, the front camera. It's kind of hidden, but it's nice looking. And then we got like a little front, like side front splitter right there and there. Got black grille. We got the headlights. That makes it look sleek. We will show you guys the engine, so stay tuned till the end of the video so we can show you the engine. OEM 20s with black finish with drilled brake rotors. We got BMW M brakes right there, like brake calipers. We got the BMW badge right there, and then you got the M right there, which is nice. I love how the tires are and like the finish makes it just look clean. I like how the design of the wheels itself, or I guess the rim, it's kind of like, it's like simple, but it's like wild looking in a way. It's clean. It's really clean. So we got the M3 on the front fender right here, like on the side. I guess they have the fender, the black exterior piece. You got the side mirrors right here. It can go into like an L shape. I do like the sporty design on it. It's black, and you have like the a little like fin right here, like a little wing right here, which makes it look actually like really, really clean. It's cool. It makes it sporty. We got the wipers. You got the carbon fiber like roof, and it is, I'm not a big fan of the carbon fiber for this car. The reason why, there is carbon fiber trim pieces probably inside, which I hope, but I just wish this was black because it would match with all the other like black exterior pieces like this, the wheels, the front, the side, here. It's just, it doesn't really make sense. I'm a guy when it comes to cleanness and just like everything looking like even and all that stuff. That probably didn't make any sense, but who cares? Half cap. We got a black duck lip spoiler, like a little baby spoiler. And see, I like that. Like, make this black. Make this black. Like that's black. It's just the carbon fiber doesn't fit with it. We'll see. We'll see if there's carbon fiber in the car. I have no clue yet. Here is the back. So we got quad tip exhaust with black tips on it, and honestly looks clean. We got the not the rear diffuser. Yeah, I guess rear diffuser. The black rear diffuser. We got the BMW badge right there. We got the M3. We got the sporty back rear lights. It's such a unique color, and you will never see this color ever on a car, ever. Like, this is just a one-of-a-kind color. And then here is the side for the driver's side. Basically the same thing. I need y'all to click that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 100K subscribers by the end of this year, which is my goal. Well, right now we're at 13,000. We're 13% there. But please hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell so you guys don't miss any future videos, because there's some pretty insane cars that I'm going to review.
Did y'all know that you can tune this up to 900 horsepower? I bet you didn't. Before we go on with the video, I need y'all to subscribe and click that notification bell so you guys don't miss any future content. We're trying to hit 100K subscribers by the end of this year. I know we're filming this at a different part. Things happened when you're trying to edit, so I had to reshoot a couple of things. But we're good. So y'all better stay tuned to the end of the video because we're going to show you the engine to this. And let's go on inside. Alright, so this is the interior. You got the steering wheel, you got the BMW badge, you got the M modes, you got your no paddle shifters. Well, it's not automatics, of course. It is a 6-speed manual transmission. You got your cruise control settings up here, your answer settings, voice activation, your volume right here, something right here, I don't know. You got your heating steering wheel. This does have carbon fiber interior pieces on the steering wheel and throughout the car. You got a thingy. You got a little crotch carbon fiber thing on the seats. You got LED lighting all throughout the car. Sadly, I can't turn on the car. I wish I could, but that's okay. You got your unlock, lock. You got your memory settings right here. You got your settings for your side mirrors, front windows, back windows. We will sit in the back, so y'all better stay tuned. But you got your AC right here, black exterior pieces right here, speakers right here. You got your blinkers and your lights over here, which is nice. You got your digital gauge right here. You got the M3. And then let's get on over here. Dash and everything. You got your emergency signal. Like aluminum. Maybe aluminum. Like piece around here. Your AC right here. You got your heating. You got max AC, rear AC, auto. Hotter and colder to the front, to you, and to your legs. You got you can increase and decrease it right here. Then same thing with your passengers. You got your return, menu AC, max AC, and then I guess max to the front, and then max AC, and then same thing to your passenger. This is your volume controls over here. You got your CD player right here. No CD player. I was joking. Haha. You don't got a CD player. Modes, band, and then you got your
12 seconds later.
Back like tracks, just so you can fast forward or go back. Here's your shifter right here. You got that little M on it, and then you got your cup holders, your cigarette lighter, USB. Then I guess you could put your phone here, maybe like recharge. Can y'all even see it that well? Hopefully y'all can. You got carbon fiber piece around the center console, which I think is nice. It looks really clean. It's actual carbon fiber, which is nice, not the fake crap. Got parking assist. Automatic off. I don't know what this is. I don't have it in my car, but I've seen it in a bunch of cars. I just don't remember. Rear camera, setups, M modes, and then you can value your exhaust so you can make it quieter and louder. Got your media, home, map, navigation, your web, communication maybe? So you trackpad it all up here. And then your back, your options. And then this is what the seat looks like. But this is what it looks like. It's really comfortable. I'm like squeezed in here. It's really comfortable. There's the carbon fiber trim piece. These are racing bucket seats, sport bucket seats. Really comfortable. You got carbon fiber on like the sides right here, which is nice. This car, when it comes to like heating, when in the summer, of course, everything is gonna be hot, but it's not gonna be like burning hot. In the winter, I feel like this would just be really good for the winter. And then fall and spring, well, it's gonna be hot and cold, so nothing too much. Then you got right here is carbon fiber piece right here, and then LED lighting all throughout. You can definitely change the colors all on here. You got your AC, you got your back mirror, you got your blinders, you got your glove compartment right here, cup holder, and then open, unlock, and lock. You got your USB-C, and then you got a little light. Not really much storage capacity right here. You can't really do much, not too deep. I mean, it's spacious. It's nothing too bad, but it's nothing too good, really, if you want to put, like, a lot of stuff in here. But you're in a BMW Isles of Mans. I don't think you're supposed to. This is like a sports car, like, and this does have memory seating, so you can switch it all on the sides. Let's go on to the back, and then we'll show you the engine. All right, we are inside. You got a good amount. You actually have a decent leg room, which is like, if you're in some like sports cars that have 4 seats, Sometimes it's not good leg room, and I know it is dark in here, but this is what the back looks like. So the back of the seats are carbon fiber. That's real carbon fiber, which is nice. This is the leg room. This is like, it's not all the way up to me, but you have really good leg room. Like, this is really like decent. You can't, of course, like do this or like do like this, but just to like move your feet like this, really, it's really good leg room. I wouldn't say really good. I'd say it's decent. There you go. Maybe like a 7 out of 10 for leg room. Got little lights right here, and then that turns it on for both. Got a handle in case your friend's going 180 down the speedway, or highway. And then this is what the seats look like. Nothing much, just straight black. You can't even see them. You got blue LED lighting all right here. How you get out, windows, speakers. And then, like, on the front, I forgot to say, this does have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB-C connection, all that stuff. And then this is your seat belts. I love this car a lot. I think this is such a unique car. Some people would be thinking, oh, it's a regular M3. Yes, it might be a regular M3, but it's an Isles of Man. And, you know, the color's pretty rare. You know, it doesn't show how many models were made, but it's rare. So, there's one at RPM Garage going for like 80K, so go check it out, please. And then you got white contrast, or not white contrast, that's black. That's black contrast, which you can't even see. It's really hot in here, but the comfortability settings up in the front, I give it a solid 9. It hugs your hips really well, it hugs your shoulders. The reason why I give it a 9, not a 10, I think it's a little too much. It hugs it a little bit too much, so maybe I would probably turn it to an 8.5, but the headrest is comfortable. I love this car a lot. I'd bump it up to like a 9. Alright, let's go on into the engine. And this does have Harmon Kardon sound system. Totally forgot to mention that earlier. So here is the engine. It's beautiful. It's simple. Really nothing too much. It's basically bone stock. What it has is a BMS style dual cone called air intake, which are these. That and that. And that's basically it. You got the BMW M Power. You got like these safety guards right here. You got your oil right here. That's where you put your oil. Wiper fluid over there. And then where would the coolant be? That's a great answer. Maybe like something there. Coolant? No, that's your battery. Something over here for your battery. That's where you can cut your hair. That's nice. That's a great question. I feel stupid. It's somewhere here. There's something there. I don't know, but this is a very, very beautiful car, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's review. If you're looking to buy a car, go to RPM Garage, link in the description below. They sell all these amazing cars, and I want to say thank you to them for letting me review these cars. These are such amazing cars. They got all kinds of cars. They got Cadillac CTVs, Corvettes. They got this crazy Audi R8, Chevy Cobra, Camaros. They got all types of cars here, so please go check them out. Even if you don't want to buy a car, just check them out. We're located in Dallas, Texas. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Well, before that, I stream on Twitch. So go follow me on Twitch. We're trying to hit 50 followers by the end of this month. That's my goal. And go check out the Discord server for this channel. If you want to just talk about cars or whatever with a bunch of people, go check it out, please. Link in the description below. And I hope you follow me on my Instagram. We're trying to hit 1,000 followers. So please leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn that notification bell, and have a good day.